Hey there, awesome kids! Welcome to Smarty Pants History, the place where we learn cool things in the most fun way. Today, we're answering a huge question. Who was Guy Fawkes? And why do people in the UK light bonfires, wave sparklers and shout, "Remember, remember the 5th of November" every year? Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and stick around to the end because I've got a super silly quiz waiting for you. Let's travel back in time. Imagine it's over 400 years ago in England, the year 1605. There are no phones, no cars, not even electric lights. People use candles, ride horses, and wear funny trousers called breeches. The king of the time was named King James I. Some people loved him, but others, not so much. Enter our mysterious character, Guy Fawkes. Guy Fawkes wasn't a king or a knight. He was just a regular man with a very serious moustache. Some people disagreed with the king's rules, and a group of them had a very big and very bad idea. They wanted to blow up the Houses of Parliament. That's where the king and important people met. Guess who they asked to help? Yep, Guy Fawkes. Because he was good with gunpowder. So Guy Fawkes and his group secretly placed 36 barrels of gunpowder under the Parliament building. That's like 1 million fireworks. They planned to light the fuse on November 5th, right when the king arrived. But guess what? Someone sent an anonymous letter warning the king's guards. The guards searched the basement. And who did they find? Guy Fawkes, hiding with all the gunpowder. He was caught just in time before the explosion. The king was saved, and people were so happy that they lit bonfires all across the city to celebrate. From that day on, November 5th became Bonfire Night, also called Guy Fawkes Night or Fireworks Night. People would even make stuffed figures called guys to throw on the bonfire, like pretend Guy Fawkes dolls. Nowadays, Bonfire Night isn't about celebrating catching Guy Fawkes. It's more about having fun with family, watching fireworks, and eating yummy treats like toffee apples, marshmallows on sticks, hot chocolate. It's a big reminder to stay safe, follow rules, and use fire only responsibly. Because playing with gunpowder is a terrible idea. Fun fact time. 1. Did you know the Guy Fawkes mask, the white mask with the mustache, is now used in movies and even by people online? 2. Guy Fawkes wasn't even the leader of the plan. He just became the most famous. 3. If all that gunpowder had exploded, it would have destroyed a whole neighborhood. Okay, kids, quiz time. Shout out your answers. What year was the Gunpowder Plot? The year 1605. What did Guy Fawkes hide under Parliament? Gunpowder. What do people light on Bonfire Night? Fireworks. Awesome job! If you got them right, give yourself a firework clap. Clap, clap, boom! Thanks for watching Smarty Pants History. If you want more fun stories like this, hit like. Subscribe if you made it to the end. See you next time, and remember, stay bright, stay curious, and stay boom-tastic.